today's video, I'm going to take a look at the products one by one, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a look. So I'm really excited to see what August Box has got me. All right, be amazed. Ta-da! And I can't, okay. Dolls, it's your girl American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. Please stay and subscribe. I'm doing a little get ready with me night out moment, so I just thought these would be super cute. They're really pretty. They're like fairy princess. They're iridescent, or is it holographic? I don't know. I'm really bad at like making sure I understand things. As you know, I'm experimenting on this channel, so if there's something that I say that needs to be corrected, definitely let me know in the comments. I will not be offended. Got these from AliExpress as well. I'll link it in the description box. Brochure, so that's how it looks. How cute. Still summer inspired. And I do have a premium box coming, and when I do, I will definitely shout out. I don't want to say the doll's name wrong, so I will put it up on the screen once I get that premium box, just to do a quick shout out for giving me that wonderful idea. As you know, I love to make content that you dolls enjoy watching, so let's go ahead and get back to the BoxyCharm box. This is a Volition Hibiscus Unstoppable Correcting Oil. Wow, okay, so this is actually the most expensive item in the box. It's $49. Daily treatment oil with hibiscus flower and licorice root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discoloration as it soothes and nurtures. Apply 2 to 3 drops to face, and you can use it a couple times a day. And it's for all skin types. And there you go, pump it up here, and then you're just gonna put a couple of drops. Interesting. Okay, so dolls, I don't have anything on my face, not even primer, not even any type of serums, because of course I wasn't sure what the box was going to give me. Okay, so it goes on very nicely. It's a light oil, so that's the first product, and 2 to 3 drops has definitely gone a long way. So let's go ahead and get into the next item. Ooh, I love hyaluronic acid. Ooh la la, advanced serum and vitamin E. It's got some really good information from all the surveys that they get from everyone who subscribes to them to know exactly what people really desire. So that's good information. Okay, so this is Clara's New York. It's a 90% blend of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So of course it nourishes, moisturizes, quenches the skin. I love hyaluronic acid. I need it. Oh, it's fortified with retinol omegas. Okay, it provides anti-aging effects by promoting cell renewal, lightening sunspots and acne scars, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits, such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Use daily for a brighter complexion. And this one here is $24.99, so that's reasonable. Okay, so it's definitely a little bit more ooey gooey. Okay, so very cooling on the skin. Oh gosh, I love this. See, I love hyaluronic acid. No real residue. It just goes on so nicely. You just know it just like absorbs in my skin. If you guys have really dry skin like myself, yeah, definitely hyaluronic acid. It's an ultimate bronzing powder, and it is for creating an all-over sun-kissed skin. Ooh, I love that. As you know, I've been using bronzer and putting it all over my face, so definitely will use that in today's video. It sits comfortably, it says, on your skin, effortlessly over pores, fine lines. Well, it has 6 flattering shades, so hopefully this will match my shade, but then again, it's not like it's not an issue for me. Regular price is $35, so that's kind of, I don't know, to me it's a medium bronze. So let's see if they got my shade right, because I'll be super impressed. Wow. Ooh, hi. Hey there, I see you. Ooh, so let's swatch this in case you dolls don't want to stay for. Okay, I like it. Wow, it's different. It's definitely lighter. I have high hopes for this because, oh God, I already got it dirty. Oh, good. It's definitely different than the other bronzers. In fact, it looks like it would be very suitable. Skin is actually, it's like neutral, where I do have some like purplish, I have like purplish green veins. I'm Asian, and then I have like a very little bit of white. So that's why it's kind of like, yeah, so I'm like, I can be warm and cold. Go figure. Dito. Venus Palette Limited Edition. It represents Venus with 12 shades, okay, that embody the glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors. Okay, and regular price is $29.99. So far, I love this box. It definitely has, skin products, and it has obviously some makeup products. I just had the scissors, and then I don't know what we're doing. Where did you go? Where did you go, you sucker? Is it under the moon? No, am so amazed, dolls. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh, I got super excited. Okay, stunning. Oh my gosh, dolls, which color next? This is actually what I was like thirsting for. This color here. Oh my gosh, the pigment is off the charts. I love the creativity in this. So, I mean, and I love the formula, the pigment. It's really beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like a super dark brown or dark maroon. So many beautiful colors. I don't really know which one I'm going to go ahead and choose, but we have to, we must, because seriously, girls got a little bit of a birthday dinner to attend. The last box, like, this is my favorite box. Now, this actually is my favorite box. Stop it! No, you stop it! No, you stop it! Nana Kadar, and this is a beauty. It's a hydration happy face mist. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for hydrating base before makeup application. And it's got a mix of minerals, and it wakes up your skin, and $19, super affordable. So we're definitely going to be using that. So dolls, seriously, let's go ahead and get started in today's makeup look. Pretty, I love the bottle. It's very womanly, feminine. Oh, she smells beautiful. I love it. And once it hits you, it's so refreshing. And that scent, it's so nostalgic. It's so beautiful. Not too strong. It's very sensual, dolls. Oh my gosh. Love. 10 out of 10. Love you. Love you, babe. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Favorite primer. This is the Touch and Soul. And so far, I haven't found anything to beat this Icy Sherbet primer. I actually got this from an Ipsy Glam bag. This is pretty vulgar. It's a concealer. I'm definitely trying to be a lot quicker as well. Not because I think I'm cool or trying to be efficient, but I realized that I gotta stay focused. I'm just like, I need to stay focused. Yeah, exactly. So I'm like, I need to stop dilly-dallying. I'm gonna go ahead and use that cool bronzer, which I'm really excited, dolls, because I really want to see how this color is gonna come out. I'm gonna give myself a tan as well. Okay, well, this is great. I love it. Iconic London. I love it more so because, I mean, just the shade. It's really hard for me to come across a shade like this, and it really matches my skin tone. Okay, so what's next, dolls? I'm gonna use this for highlighter and for inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna use this as a transition color, I believe. I'm going to try to use this possibly on the bottom and on the outer corner. And then I'm going to use this as the middle on my lids. And yeah, we'll just see how that works out. Phobos? P-H-O-B-O-S? Look at me. Trying to be professional. This would be a transition. Oh, wow. I'm gonna use Mercury and blend that. Look at this. Do the dark brown here. Europa. So it looks like a blackish dark brown, but it's kind of like a purple tint to that, which I think this color is pretty rad. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this color here. Love how I love how the eyeshadow. Let's see, is it? Oh my gosh, the glitter goes all the way through. It's not like just on the top layer, so that's really important. Okay, so me lovey. I love the glitter dolls. Seriously, it's amazing. And then for the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna put this color here. Yeah, so it has like glitter, and it has it does have eyeshadow pigment, but I would say it's more glitter. It's a little bit not crusty, but Well, it is a little bit crusty. It's like melty, so hopefully this will stay in place. I'm putting on some blush right now. I'm gonna go with this for highlighter. Make sure I bake a little bit more here and there. Okay, there you go. Some eyeliner. Eyebrow mascara fiber. I want it to be more brown since it's a little bit less harsh. I'm gonna do some glitter lipstick. Lip oil. I use fluorine tuberose. So I've done a video on this in the past, but it's definitely a girls' night out scent for sure. But, okay, so I'm feeling a little bit of wild. I mean, I think that's rightfully so. You know, August, wild, right? Like hot ripe summer. So I am doing zebra with a skirt. I'm just wearing some nude bottoms and showcasing this blue color. And it looks really good with black and white. And I also put some rings on. And dolls, I just love you so much. So I'll see you dolls in my next video. Yeah, have a wonderful day or night. Bye dolls.